Hi, I'm Eloise, and you are listening to the audio version of our blog post because sometimes you just can't read one more thing on a screen. The purpose of our blog is to provide branding and encouragement for students, professionals, small businesses, and entrepreneurs. Sometimes our content is focused on personal branding and your career, and sometimes we focus on business branding and marketing. Today, we are focusing on social media for business brands. We are providing an overview and introduction to the top 8 social media platforms in 2020. So let's dive in. Okay, let me know if either one of these statements are true for you. You know you need to be on social media, but you don't really know how the platforms differ. Or you are easily overwhelmed by the newest social media platform and not sure what to do for your business. Either one feel familiar? Then I want you to keep listening. We're going to break down 8 of the social media platforms that are most likely used by businesses and consumers. So let's look at those 8. We'll cover Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. But let's start with Facebook. Facebook is not dead. Facebook is the largest platform with over 2 billion users a month. There are more than 65 million businesses with a Facebook Pinterest created already. So what is it good for? Facebook's advertising platform, it's how you create ads on Facebook and Instagram, is robust and complex, enabling you to customize who sees your ad, where they see it, and when they see it. The data you can gather from Facebook ads can be extremely helpful in understanding your target audience and your return on investment. So what can you do with this platform? Let me list off a few things for you. You can post pictures, videos, and well-designed graphics almost every day or multiple times a day. But I will tell you this, that Facebook likes and wants to show your pictures and your videos over your graphics, so keep that in mind. You can post on Facebook stories. This is similar to Instagram stories, and we'll talk about that when we get to Instagram. I want you to always include links and a call to action in your Facebook posts. You can add clickable links in Facebook posts and in the captions, so make sure you utilize that. Tell someone that you want them to comment below, that you want them to head to a specific link, that you want them to contact you, that you want them to share the post with others. Make sure there's a call to action. The next thing, add photos in your albums to organize your products, your services, or events, and then tell people to go there. It's a great way to add some value to your profile. Always respond to comments from your followers. Engage with them. The purpose of social media is to be social, so be social. When they comment or like, respond to them. Create an ad in the Ads Manager for a specific product or service. Now, this is quite a big bullet here, and there's a lot to it to create an ad. But I want you to Google and look for different ways to use the Ads Manager. This is different from boosting a post, so make sure you're aware of that. I want you to consider creating a Facebook group. Now, this isn't perfect for everybody, but a lot of people have a lot of success with a Facebook group, and it does differ from a Facebook business page. And lastly, consider hosting a Facebook Live. This is a live video event that you can have and save and repurpose for other things. A lot of people end up doing Facebook Lives and Instagram Lives. Okay, let's talk about Instagram. Instagram started as a photo sharing platform and was purchased by Facebook in 2012. So they follow some of the same functions and honor some of the same types of content. When you create an ad on Facebook, it'll appear on Instagram. When you post on Instagram, you can automatically post to Facebook. Although Instagram has created many features and grown in recent years, quality photography and videography will always do better than text-heavy graphics or low-quality images, so be aware of that. But what is Instagram great for? Instagram is great for businesses who offer services and products, but those who offer products can really benefit from the shopping features that Instagram offers. If you are targeting a younger audience, they're more likely to engage on Instagram over Facebook, so keep that in mind. If you have a creative business, Instagram is a great platform to show your work. What can you do with this platform? Let's go over a few different bullets. So hashtags. Hashtags are your friend on Instagram. You want to use hashtags or words or phrases that people would search for. So let's say your post will appear in the search results for resume tips because you use the hashtag resume tips in your caption or in the comment of your post. So you want to use hashtags that people are going to search for so that your posts are found, your account is found, and people follow you. You can have about 30 hashtags in each post. Instagram does not allow clickable links in your captions, but Facebook does. So this is something to be aware of. You have one URL in your Instagram bio. We recommend using sites like Linktree to create a list of links. So that way, when they click on that one link in your bio, they get taken to a page where there's a lot of different buttons with a lot of different links. So maybe you link to your website, you link to a sale page that you have on your website, you link to a specific blog post, you link to your LinkedIn or your Facebook accounts. There's so many different things you can link to. You can learn more about Linktree and other apps and websites like it by going to linktree.com. Okay, I want you to think about utilizing IGTV. It's a newer feature in recent years that allows you to post videos that are longer than 60 seconds. In the past, Instagram only let you post a video that was 60 seconds, and then after that, it was cut off. So it made it tricky, but now you can utilize IGTV, and it's kind of like a library of videos on Instagram. Let's talk about stories. So I want you to be active on Instagram stories because more people look at this content than scroll through posts in their feed. Draw attention to your post videos, your behind the scenes shots. You could post polls or questions. You could post boomerang videos. There's a lot that you can do. Be creative and know that it doesn't have to look perfect because it's going to disappear in about 24 hours anyway. You want to make sure people can see if you want to make sure that people can see your IG stories for more than 24 hours, there is something you can do. You can create highlight categories. You might have seen these circle icons on different people's profiles. That is their highlight category, and you can customize it any way that you want. You have, say you want to have a highlight category named sale. Then you can add all of your Instagram stories that have to do with your sale items to that category. You can always delete stories and add new ones as you go so that people don't have to look through old content. Next, if you have products to sell, research how to use Instagram shopping so followers can click on your post and easily buy from your post. If you make it easy, people will actually take action. So look at Instagram shopping. Lastly, there are many apps that allow you to plan and schedule your post on Instagram. We like Planoly and Later. When you post on Instagram, you can send your post to Facebook automatically. Just make sure your Facebook business page is connected to your Instagram in your settings. All right, let's talk about Pinterest. Pinterest is an incredible social media tool because it is also an image-based search engine, and you need to think about it like that. You can search for anything and find examples, inspiration, products, and tutorials through a feed of pins. So instead of us calling them posts, we call them pins, kind of like you pinning a pin on a board, a bulletin board. So what is Pinterest great for? This platform is primarily used by females. This platform is not for all businesses, and we don't recommend it for all of our clients because of 3 reasons. 1, their target audience is not on Pinterest. 2, their efforts should be focused maybe on Instagram or LinkedIn or YouTube elsewhere. And number 3, they don't have a blog that they can send people to from their pins. And a lot of times if you have a pin, you want to make sure you can send someone to another link, to a blog post, to your website, to a product, right? Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube want you to stay on their platforms for as long as possible. So they want you to watch that entire video on Facebook. They don't want you to leave. But Pinterest is different. Pinterest wants you to click on a link related to the pin and go to that external website. They want you to go to that blog post. They want to be a trusted search engine that you keep returning to because you found what you were looking for. Therefore, you always want to have a link associated with your pin. This platform is perfect for bloggers and influencers. So what can you do with this platform? I have a couple ideas. Number one, two main terms you need to know are boards and pins. Think about a physical bulletin board in your office with pictures and articles pinned to it. Pinterest is a virtual and better organized version of this. Number two, predominantly you will find pins on decor, home improvement, food, art, fashion, wedding inspiration, and travel. But that doesn't mean you can't create a pin that leads people to a blog post on how to prepare for a job interview or how to clean your workout clothes well. You really can have pins about almost anything because people are recognizing that it's more of a search engine than anything. Number three, make sure you have organized boards. If you have content that is pinned to a board, so let me start over. Make sure you have your boards organized. You can have private boards and you can have public boards. So for your private boards, these might be ones that you want for your own inspiration or for your internal team to see only. So just make those private. But for everything else, make sure that your boards are organized so people can easily find items when they're following you. You can post photos, graphics, or videos, and the caption for those photos, graphics, or videos are really important as it helps with the search engine aspect of the platform. So use words that people would be searching for in those captions. Don't skip that part. If you sell physical products, this is a great place to share content and reach a large audience because it's not geographically bound. So utilize Pinterest if you have physical products. And lastly, if you're wanting to sell clothes or household products, it's best to show the products in use. So make sure that the person's wearing the clothing or show someone using the household item. It will do a lot better on Pinterest. Okay, let's move on to LinkedIn. Now on the screen, if you're looking at it, you'll see that I have two computer screens on here and the screens might look really similar. On the left, you're going to see my personal LinkedIn account. And on the right, you're going to see my business LinkedIn account. There's two different ones, but they both have purpose and can be really powerful for your business and for your brand. LinkedIn is the largest professional network that connects professionals together and houses one of the leading job boards. LinkedIn has replaced the professional Rolodex of business cards as you can connect with professionals across the globe and easily access their full professional bio. So what is LinkedIn great for? Unfortunately, we have seen many businesses and professionals use LinkedIn incorrectly. Not all content shared on Instagram and Facebook should be shared to LinkedIn. If you want results and engagement on any platform, use it for its intended purpose. The content that is shared on this platform on LinkedIn should be educational, career-related, team-focused, or about job and opportunities. Don't post about a house that you are listing as a real estate agent on LinkedIn. Post that information on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. So how can you use LinkedIn? How can you use this platform? Well, here's a couple ideas. So one, as with Facebook, you can have a personal LinkedIn page and a LinkedIn business page like you see on the screen. I recommend having both. I have a personal page as a professional, but we also have a business page where we share educational and career-related content. We share about our team and achievements, and we post about internships and jobs when they're available. When we had a position opening just recently this year, we used LinkedIn to post our job posting and received 90 applicants in 2 weeks and was able to hire our next social media coordinator that way. This platform is great for learning and has online courses. So make sure you look up LinkedIn Learning when you're on there. Use this platform to connect with professionals in all industries. Build up your network. You never know how a relationship can change your career or your business. And remember, you don't have to create all the content yourself. Check the news feed frequently and comment on posts and articles. Share articles by others. This is what it's for. It's for connecting and learning. Okay, next we have YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform, but it is also a powerful search engine as it's related to Google. Younger audiences audiences are now using YouTube to learn and find information, much like older generations like to use Google. So keep this in mind. So what is YouTube great for? This is great for businesses who share educational content or content that is best seen, not read. If your customers always ask you about a specific topic or how to do something, consider creating a video for it. YouTube can help you build a reputation for being an expert in your field. So what are some things you can do with this platform? Number one, if you only share videos occasionally, it's still good for you to have a YouTube channel because it can serve as a public library for all your content. Number two, consider adding meet the team videos, about videos, how-to videos, and promotional videos. You can house unlisted and public videos, meaning you can house videos that are only for internal use or specific audiences. So not everything has to be public. Number four, remember to organize your videos into playlists so people can easily see your different types of content and find it easily. You can also share a link to an entire playlist if you want people to see a series of videos. And lastly, do research on YouTube SEO. That's search engine optimization, so that you can better understand how words in your video or in the caption can help them appear more often to users who don't already subscribe to your channel. All right, moving on to Twitter. What is Twitter great for? Twitter is the perfect platform if you share information that is concise and is best delivered in the moment. This platform will serve you well if you're active in engaging with other users' tweets. Remember, tweets are like posts. Not all of our clients have Twitter, as it does not fit their personality, their content, or ability to post frequently on the fly. So this might apply to you as well. But how can you use Twitter? Number one, post tweets about breaking news or announcements. This platform is best used for easily digestible textual content like how-to articles, listicles, and quotes. Third, the platform does allow you to post links and photos. If you plan on posting photos, it is important for you to make sure it displays your information in the right dimensions. So look that up before you post a photo. And lastly, utilize hashtags and links in your tweets to grow your audience and gain engagement. So hashtags are really important for Twitter as well. Next, we have Snapchat. Snapchat is great for reaching younger generations like Generation Z and Millennials with short form videos or photos. We do not use this platform for our current clients, but know other businesses who do. This is mainly great for a brand that will be active often. This also allows for content to be shared that is more laid back and in real time, like Facebook and Instagram stories. A new feature that has been added to Snapchat lately are Snapchat shows, as you can see a screenshot on the screen. A business can invest ad money into running an ad during these Snapchat shows, which allows for you to reach a certain target audience with no geographic bounds. Okay, lastly, we have TikTok. TikTok is the newest social media platform to become a hit. Not that it just was launched. It's been around for a little bit of time, but it's a big hit right now in 2020. This platform is perfect for reaching Generation Z by using short video content. The platform allows for a lot of special effects and music to be used to make your videos more captivating. This has become the world's most downloaded app and has surpassed YouTube as the most used entertainment-focused app. This is a way to make fun and humorous videos if that fits your brand. So, now we've gone through 8 of the social media platforms that are most popular in 2020. I hope this has given you some good information. I hope it's given you some good key terms so that you can go search for these things and decide if the platforms are right for you. We hope this has given you helpful information that makes you feel more confident about running your brand and your business's social media. If you're still feeling weary, don't worry. We are here to help. We offer services from like monthly consulting to help you think through what the best strategy is for you. Contact us if we can help you. See you next time.